The battle over the stalled housing project at UNLV is heating up. Both sides faced a judge in court today as time ticks away for hundreds of students who are now faced with a difficult decision. Contact 13 investigative reporter Joe Bartels has some new information on a story you asked us to investigate.
Hundreds of students are now facing decision day after word that this project, which is about 75% finished, is not going to be housing anyone this fall. It was supposed to house more than 700 students, but delays and disputes stalled the project known as the Degree. Now both sides battling it out in a courtroom showdown.
I appreciate Ms. Alexander's arguments, however, they're completely wrong.
At issue, a lien on the property and disputes over paperwork and payments to construction crews between UPA-1, the developer, and the initial construction company after work stopped abruptly last year.
For those who had their lease from last year, they offered us $500 either on a Visa card or the equivalent in a dining dollars plan or a meal plan here at UNLV.
Sweetened incentives to move in have now put students in a tough spot to either keep their pre-signed leases on the unfinished project or walk away. According to documents obtained by Contact 13, they have until the close of business tomorrow to decide.
I definitely want to know exactly when it will be completed so we can kind of have an idea of when we'll be able to move in finally.
Questions that even the developer can't answer as construction remains idle at the site.
And here's the real problem. UNLV needs a student housing project, but they want to have it built on the backs of contractors.
Both sides are working toward a resolution, and a new construction company is picking up where the old one left off, but bottom line, the project is not expected to be finished this fall. The initial lien claim on this property, which was about $20 million, is now down to about $8.5 million as more of those payment disputes are settled. There is another hearing set for April 9th. Joe Bartels, 13 Action News.
We looked into this story after a viewer reached out to us. So as always, if you have a problem or an issue you want us to check out, send an email to 13investigates@ktnv.com and please include your name and phone number.